Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session I'm going to solve SBI PO 2013 paper. Just have your paper and pen ready with you and then start solving problems right with me. So let's take the first set of questions. Here we have been given a graph and here the cost of 3 different fruits in rupees per kilogram in 5 different cities. Cost of fruits, that is rupees per kilogram, and 5 cities: Jalandhar, Delhi, Chandigarh, Hoshiarpur and Ropar, right? And apple, guava, grapes, 3 fruits are there. So let's take the questions one by one. The very first question says Ravinder had to purchase 45 kilogram of grapes from Hoshiarpur. Shopkeeper gave him discount of 4% per kilogram. What amount did he pay to the shopkeeper after the discount? So, friends, this is simple arithmetic problem, right? You just have to calculate the total amount, right? Now, 45 kilogram is the quantity. Shopkeeper is giving him 4% discount. That means ultimately he is charging 96%. And what is the price per kilogram of grapes in Hoshiarpur? So grapes, that's triangle, and in Hoshiarpur the price is 190. Okay, that is between 180 to 200. So it is 190. Okay, so I just write the price per kilogram, that is 190. Now to make calculation faster, what you can do is you can remove the decimal, you can remove 10, you just take out 15 from here, so it will remain 9, and 96 I write 48, so both the zeros have gone now. Now we have to make this calculation. Once again, you can match the unit digit, that is 9 into 8, 72 unit digits is 2, 2 into 9 unit digit must be 8. So unit digit is 8 of this calculation that we have only in this option. Right, since there is no none of this, you don't have to worry. Apart from that, you can check digital root also. Digital root of this calculation will be 9 because ultimately both these numbers are being multiplied by 9. So finally digital root will be 9. You can check 8 and 8 16 and 2 18, that is digital root is 9, right? So pretty simple. I hope you are getting it. Now let's see this question. In which city is the difference between the cost of 1 kilogram of apple and cost of 1 kilogram of guava second lowest? So apple is this square and guava is circle. So we need to find out the difference between apple and guava. In Jalandhar it is 100, in Delhi it is 130 and 90, so that's 40. In Chandigarh it is 120 and 60. In Hoshiarpur it is 60. In Ropar it is lowest, so but we have to calculate the second lowest, so that is 40, that is Delhi, right? Pretty simple. Cost of 1 kilogram of guava in Jalandhar is approximately what percent of the cost of 2 kilograms of grapes in Chandigarh? So cost of 1 kilogram of guava in Jalandhar. Guava is circle, so cost of 1 kilogram over here it is 60, right? And cost of 2 kilograms of grapes in Chandigarh. In Chandigarh, grapes is triangle, so cost of 2 kilogram will be 180 rupees, right? So that we can see it's 1/3, that is 33.33%. So approximately it is 34%, right? What is the respective ratio between the cost of 1 kilogram of apples from Ropar and cost of 1 kilogram of grapes from Chandigarh? So 1 kilogram apples from Ropar. Ropar apple is square, so that's 40, and cost of 1 kilogram of grapes from Chandigarh. Chandigarh grapes, that's 90. So it's 4 by 9, or we can say 2 square is to 3 square. Okay. So that was very, very simple. What total amount will Ram pay to shopkeeper for purchasing 3 kilograms of apples and 2 kilograms of guavas in Delhi? So in Delhi, 3 kilograms of apples. So Delhi, apple is square. So 3 kilogram will be 390. 3 kilogram of apples, that's in Delhi it's 130 per kilogram, so 3 kilogram will be 390, and 2 kilogram of guavas, so that's 90 into 2, 180, right? 90 rupees per kilogram is the price of guava in Delhi, so for 2 kilograms it is 180. So in all it is 570, right? So you can see this set was really very simple. All the question will not take more than like 3 minutes to solve, right? Let's take the next set. Now let's take this set of questions. Study the radar graph carefully and answer the questions that follow. Number of students in 1000 in 2 different universities in 6 different years. Here they are speaking about 2007 to 2012, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 different years and 2 different universities. And all the number of students given over here is in thousands, right? So let's take the first question. In which year was the difference between the number of students in University 1 and the number of students in University 2 is highest? For this particular question, we don't require any of the calculations. We can see the difference between circle and triangle where it is the maximum. So that is in year 2012, that you can see very clearly over here, right? Here it is 1, 2, 3 point difference. Anywhere else it is at max 2 point difference, right? So 2012, in year 2012, the number of students between these two universities were maximum, right? The difference was highest. If 25% of the students in University 2 in the year 2010 were females, what was the number of male students in University 2 in the same year? Now here we are talking about year 2010. Year 2010 and University 2, right? So in year 2010, University 2, that is triangle. So the number of students were 15,000. So total number of students are 15,000. Out of them, 25% are females. That means 75% of them are males. So precisely we have to find out 3/4 of 15,000. So 3/4 of 15,000 will be 11,250, right? So that was pretty simple. What was the percentage increase in the number of students in University 1 in the year 2011 as compared to the previous year? So 2011 University 1, that means circle. 2011 number of students are 20,000, and in the previous year it is, I'm sorry, it is 25,000. That's a third line, and here it is fourth line. So difference between two consecutive lines is 5,000. So what is the percentage increase? Here it is 20,000 and here it is 25,000. So increase is 5,000 over 20,000. So that is 25% increase. Okay. Here it is 20,000. Here it is 25,000. So increase is 5,000 over 20,000. So that is 25%. Right? What was the difference between the number of students in University 1 in the year 2010 and the number of students in University 2 in the year 2012? Okay, so University 1 in year 2010. University 1 circle in year 2010, it is 20,000, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So that's 20,000. And University 2 in year 2012. So University 2 is triangle and year 2012. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20. It is same. So the difference is 0. Okay. This question. What is the sum of the number of students in University 1 in year 2007 and the number of students in University 2 in year 2011 together? University 1 in year 2007. So in year 2007, University 1, that is circle, that's 10,000, and University 2 in year 2011. In year 2011, University 2, that is triangle, and this is 30,000. So 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000. Okay, quite easy. So even this set was very easy. Now let's take the next set. Now this set, number of players participating in 3 different games in 5 different schools: hockey, basketball, Kho, school 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number of players. Okay, so let's take the questions one by one. 25% of number of players participating in hockey from school 5 are females. What is the number of hockey players who are males in school 5? So first of all, total number of participants from school 5 in hockey. Hockey is black one, school 5, and this line is showing 36, right? Because 30 to 40 and 4 dots are there. So 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. So it is the third line from this line. So it is showing 36, right? So 36 is the total number of students participating in hockey from school 5. Out of them, 25% are females. That means 9 are females. So remaining 27 are males. Okay. So what is the number of hockey players who are males in school 5? That is 27. Right? Number of players participating in Kho from school 4 is what percent of number of players participating in hockey from school 2? Okay. Kho from school 4. Kho, this uh, line graph. So Kho from school 4, that is 32. Is what percent of number of players participating in hockey from school 2? School 2 hockey. So that is 80. So that we can see it's 40%. Okay, 8 fours are 32, so it's 40%. Easy. What is the total number of players participating in hockey from all the 5 schools together? So that's easy. Hockey, that black portion, here it is 68. I just write down 68, then 80, then it is 54, then it is 50, then it is 38. Okay, sorry, it is 36. So it's 80 plus 54 plus 36, that's 90, 80, 170, 220 and 288, right? Now, what is the respective ratio between number of players participating in basketball from school 1 and number of players participating in Kho from school 3? So, uh, basketball from school 1. Basketball, this one, school 1, that's 42. So, basketball from school 1, 42, and Kho from school 3. So, Kho from school 3 is 48. Right? Now, in which school is the number of players participating in hockey and basketball together second highest? So, quickly we add up. Here it is 78 plus 42. I'm sorry, 68 plus 42. So that is 110. Then in school 2, it is 80 plus 34. School 3, it is 54 plus 28. School 4, it is 50 plus 60. School 5, it is 36 plus 82. So that's the highest. Then second highest is school 2, 114. Right? Now let's take this set of questions. Earnings in rupees of three different persons on 4 different days. Naveen, Gita, Rahul, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Fine. Now, what is the difference between Rahul's earning on Monday and Gita's earning on Tuesday? Now, Rahul is this one. Rahul earning on Monday. So that's actually this 200 and this 300. So that's actually 240. So Rahul is 240 and Gita earning on Tuesday. Gita, this one, it's 200. So difference is 40. Okay. Now next question. Gita donated her earnings of Wednesday to Naveen. What was Naveen's total earning on Wednesday after Gita's donation? So precisely we have to add up the Wednesday earning of Gita and Naveen, right? So Wednesday, Gita and Naveen. So Naveen is 120 and Gita is 420, right? So 420 plus 120, that's 560 rupees. As simple as that. Okay. Next is, what is the respective ratio between Naveen's earning on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday? So we have to see Naveen. Monday it is 360. Then we have to see Wednesday and Thursday. So Wednesday Naveen is 120 and Thursday Naveen is 160, right? So it is 49, 40 into 9, 40 into 3 and 40 into 4. So 9 is to 3 is to 4, right? Now what is the total amount earned by Rahul and Naveen together on Tuesday and Thursday together? So precisely Tuesday and Thursday we have to add up Rahul and Naveen, right? So Tuesday Rahul 180, I just write it over here. Tuesday Rahul 180 and Naveen is 260. Then we have to see on Thursday Naveen is 160 and Rahul is 340. Okay, so this is the total earning. So that's 340 plus 160, 500, 500, 600, 700, 800, 800 and 940 rupees. Okay, pretty simple. What was the Gita's average earning over all the days together? Now here you can see all the options are around 300, right? Some of them are a bit more than 300, some of them are a bit less than 300. So what I do is I assume the average earning is 300. Now I see the deviation, right? So Gita, that the blank one. So on Monday it is 140. So deviation is 160. Okay. On Tuesday it is 200. So deviation is 100. Then on Wednesday it is 420, so deviation is 120, and Thursday it is 400, so deviation is 100. Okay, so final deviation is minus 40, average deviation divided by 4, so it's minus 10. We assume 300, so the new average will be 10 less than the 300, that is 290. Okay, so that was pretty simple, and I'm sure you might have got all the four graphs that all the four sets of graph that we have discussed in this session. In the next session we'll be taking the remaining questions, and do revise, do practice well. Bye bye.